Striving toward a sustainable future, we will introduce Daikin Industries' environmental initiatives aimed at achieving carbon neutrality. Based on 2019 standards, the Daikin Group aims to reduce net greenhouse gas emissions by more than 50% by 2030, compared to what would be emitted if no measures are implemented. In addition to reducing emissions during production, we will reduce greenhouse gas emissions throughout entire product life cycles. Here, we will introduce our main initiatives aimed at reducing net greenhouse gas emissions. First is reducing power consumption during product use. We will lead the industry with environmentally friendly products by aiming to deploy inverters in 93% of our household air conditioners by 2025. We will also strive to develop and expand sales of energy-saving products for systems. Refrigerants are indispensable for air conditioning, and we are promoting the use of R32 in various regions. Moreover, we are promoting the use of natural refrigerants and the development of next-generation refrigerants. We are also making progress in reducing greenhouse gas emissions at factories and offices. In FY 2023, we achieved net zero emissions at Ringkai factory of Sakai plant. Moving forward, we will aim to achieve net zero emissions at all our key domestic offices by 2025, as well as all global bases by 2030. In looking toward a future carbon-neutral society, we will also take on the challenges of expanding sales of micro-hydropower products, exploring power-related businesses, and acquiring negative emission technologies. Next, we will take a look at the initiatives of the Oil Hydraulics Division. The technological power of the Daikin Group has been brought together at Plant No. 1 of the Oil Hydraulics Division at Yatagawa plant to simultaneously achieve energy savings and comfort. First is the use of heat-shielding paint made from fluoresin. Coating the roof with Daikin's highly weather-resistant paint achieves an indoor temperature reduction of 5 degrees Celsius compared to conventional paint. Next is the deployment of our task and ambient air conditioning system. Both energy savings and comfort were achieved by integrating the task method of blowing air directly onto the worker and the ambient method of cooling the entire area. Air was visualized during production, reducing the use of air during production line downtime, and early detection of air leaks reduced power consumption by compressors by more than 10% in FY 2023. Moving forward, measures will be implemented to improve equipment based on visualization of data to further accelerate reductions in power consumption. We have also made a switch from oil-based to water-based cutting oil, contributing to reduced waste oil and CO2 emissions during waste oil treatment. Moreover, we have succeeded in reducing oil mist inside factories. In developing products, we have expanded our lineup of hybrid products equipped with Daikin's core motor inverter technology. Installing them in our customers' production facilities has contributed to energy savings. Customers who have deployed our super units for presses have reduced their power consumption by around 72%, realizing reduced CO2 emissions and an annual cost cut of around 500,000 yen due to energy savings. Power consumption was reduced by around 67% at a machining center where our EcoRich R was deployed, and the tank oil temperature was lowered from 57 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Daikin Industries' Oil Hydraulics Division will realize energy savings and comfort at factories, while contributing to a carbon-neutral society.